tire smoke. So quiet. What's up guys? So today we are finally testing the Evasive Motorsports Turn 14 Model 3. We just had our unveiling event last week and today we're at the track. We'll find out she runs as good as she looks. We'll see. What up?
What up? Ready for 10 minutes of driving?
Of course, man. The car's ready for it.
Oh yeah.
All right. You guys ready for it?
A bolt of lightning into the car.
Yeah, and then we'll get like full charge
from the lightning.
Yeah. You know, if we get more budget, maybe we can have 2 cars. And then you can just change cars. We can get
Formula E style, huh?
Yeah.
I like that. What are you doing, Mike?
Nap time.
Nap time. So one of the coolest feature we got for the new car is the air jack. When we on the mountain, we have like 3 days of practice and we need to get the tire warmed. So use the tire warmer, but the pit section is always on the dirt and not really flat. So these things really help to set it up.
See the party anytime you want. Yep. And press the gas all the way down. You see traction control disabled, and you're good to go.
Okay. Part of the game? So far so good though. Other than that, no issues. I didn't hear any noise. I think brake bedding's done. Stay positive, right? Alright, alright. All fixed now. That was quick. Had a couple runs, so far going good. We're adjusting suspension setup. Brakes good, all bedded. It's really good. The Brembo is so good. Yeah, we're just adjusting the suspensions right now. Pushing more, I kind of feel under is just too strong, and then everybody thinks the sway bar was too stiff, too much. Everybody blaming on this guy.
Yeah, it's my fault. I admit it.
But you remember you were worried about the spring rate.
I did too. Well, more like this guy did.
It's only math, but the math was wrong when you input the wrong numbers.
So the computer's never wrong.
Typical genius kind of guy. The things for air jack ran out, so we came by to, what do you call this?
Nitrogen tank.
Nitrogen tank is empty, so we are getting a new bottle, as well as we need a charge for the Tesla. How's it going, guys? Getting
That
charged?
charging life.
That charging life. So it's charged, but it's a little after 4 o'clock. The track's gonna close at 5. So by the time we got back to the track, it'll be 5-10 minutes left. So we decided not to go back to the track today. And we have another day to test, which hopefully in Monday. Today's Friday, so Monday is in a couple days. So the day two of testing just started. We had a little issue in the first testing a couple days ago, and they worked on it, and we came back 2 days after. Hopefully everything's fixed. We'll find out very soon. And now Mike Chen from Evasive Motorsports is shaking down for me, and then I'll jump in right after.
You gotta get that guy to go back to the front.
Okay.
Mike Chang, marker.
The arrow sits a lot lower, so we have to raise the car. And when you raise the car, the camber, we lose camber.
So basically the reason why we need more camber is we raised the car, so we lost the negative camber, but that's maxed out for today. So they're gonna make new parts by next week, which is the race week. Took out for first couple laps, and it did a lot better than last time. So what we had an issue with last time was I think the electric device was doing something, so it had a little steering binding and kind of mean understeer for some reason, but I think they did something and it fixed, so car feels a lot more easy to rotate. So I think I can push a little bit more. And the only thing was the camber is limited right now, so still a little bit understeer, but not initial understeer anymore. It's only mid to late turns, so which I just need to be patient for today. So we're putting on the brand new tire from this year. We were running like a 2 years old slick from Toyo, so it should make big difference, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I just did a 12 lap straight on the whole Steve, and car was running really well. Anyways, the car is already low battery, so we're gonna go supercharge and come back for the afternoon. Alright, charging is done. We're going back to track, right?
Going back to the track.
Yes, sir. Alright, we're back at the Willow Springs whole Steve. After we unload the car, we're gonna do another 12 laps of testing. So the main thing on the Tesla is no matter what you do, as you go more lap, your power is you're losing power using the battery life, and that means you're not gonna get full power. So first lap is always faster than the second lap, same as the third lap, So the next testing, we're gonna try to change the driving, or I am going to change my driving. I'm gonna try to let off the throttle a little bit sooner, and I'm gonna try to ease into the throttle after the apex. So less throttle work, and so it's gonna be slower, but hopefully we get the full power all the way 12 laps or close to it. So we'll see which way would be better. So we had a couple laps at the Big Willow just to see how the car behaved on the higher speed. It was good to feel, good to see the difference. So the testing went really well. I just didn't have time to wrap it up at the track, so now we're going home from the track. I'm with Mike from Evasive Motorsports. So what do you think, Mike? What was the? I mean, it went really well, but what's your take today?
I mean, because it is the EV, it's our first electric car that we're building for Pikes Peak. There's a lot of limitations to what we can do. Number one thing is the battery loses charge really fast when you drive it hard, and that also affects how much power it can output. And also, once the battery runs low, we have to charge it in between sessions, and that usually takes up a good hour or so of our time traveling to the supercharger and back. So, but that's, I guess, part of the challenge of running an EV. So, but all in all, I think it was a good day. We learned a lot, and I think once we have the data analyzed, we'll be able to improve on all aspects of the car.
Right on, whatever he says. So it's a total different thing with the EV. A lot to do with the electric, a lot to do with the battery management. So, anyways, it went really well today. So next thing will be the testing or the practice at the Pikes Peak next week. So we'll give you guys updates. So please check back, and thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.